Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Ever find yourself in situations where you wish you had the perfect tool on hand? Well, today we've got the inside scoop on must-have gadgets every man should have at arm's reach. Curious to know what they are? Stick around because you won't want to miss these game changers. Redefine precision in measurement with the ACEGMET DTX10 digital tape measure. A 3-in-1 marvel, it integrates a steel tape, digital tape, and laser ruler for efficient measuring. With plus or minus 0.1 mm accuracy, an extended laser line, and a high-contrast IPS display, this ergonomic tool offers unparalleled reliability for craftsmen, designers, and builders. The modular design ensures durability, while the intelligent companion app enhances functionality and data sharing capabilities. Lightweight and efficient, the DTX10 sets a new standard for accuracy in the world of measuring instruments. Tackle outdoor tasks with the MOSSY Oak 3-in-1 folding saw, a versatile tool for camping, hunting, and bushcraft. Featuring easy blade change with triple-cut razor-sharp teeth, this folding hand saw effortlessly handles wood, bone, metal, and plastic. The 3 multi-purpose blades offer specialized cutting for pruning hardwood or plastic and metal. The soft yet solid handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the secure lock prevents accidental closure during use. With a bonus nylon pouch for convenient storage and carrying, this folding saw is an essential companion for those who appreciate practicality and durability in the great outdoors. Unleash the extraordinary with the HYPERSHELL EXOSKELETON, a 1-horsepower powerhouse designed for everyday adventures. With the AI motion engine and innovative Omega system, it delivers unmatched performance and flexibility, allowing you to go further and faster. Perfect for travelers, photographers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this ultra-lightweight exoskeleton redefines limitations. Weatherproof and adjustable, it ensures comfort and durability in all conditions. Say goodbye to boundaries and embrace the freedom of exploration with the HYPERSHELL EXOSKELETON. Discover the ultimate EDC tool with the BEINLINE MULTITOOL pen, a 12-in-1 tactical pen that combines essential functions in a sleek, streamlined design. Constructed from highly durable aircraft aluminum, it incorporates a variety of functionalities such as a glass breaker, flashlight, ballpoint pen, stylus, bottle opener, compass, whistle, and additional features. Designed for emergencies, it provides powerful and precise operations while remaining compact for easy pocket carry. Whether breaking glass, signaling for help, or illuminating your path, this multi-tool pen is a thoughtful and practical gift for outdoor enthusiasts and those who appreciate quality craftsmanship. The ANDRALYN fidget spinner is a mesmerizing EDC toy that combines mechanical ingenuity with a touch of cyberpunk aesthetics. With a one-click switch for light effects and a silent bearing multi-layer mechanical structure, it offers a unique sensory experience. The full alloy design undergoes more than a dozen processes for a classic and cool appearance. The A side features a mechanical roulette, while the B side showcases RGB3 color-dazzling light effects. Its compact and durable construction makes it a stylish stress reliever for both kids and adults, adding a touch of futuristic flair to everyday moments. The KELVIN 23 multi-tool set is a compact powerhouse that revolutionizes household toolkits. Its palm-sized design eliminates clutter, featuring 23 integrated tools essential for DIY tasks. With a foldable screwdriver, LED light, liquid level, 16 screwdriver bits, tape measure, and a hammering surface, this multi-use tool is a versatile solution for home, office, and on-the-go repairs. Perfect for those some assembly-required moments, it combines durability with ease of use. The cast aluminum body and rubber touch handle provide toughness and comfort, making it an ideal gift for handymen who appreciate efficiency and convenience. Embark on exhilarating outdoor adventures with the TOPORO trekking pole, your perfect companion for the wilderness. Forged from robust aluminum, this slim design tool conceals essential instruments, ensuring you're thoroughly equipped for any adventure. From hiking mountains to crossing deserts, this compact and minimalist trekking pole features various hidden tools, including a versatile screwdriver. With adjustable height and a sturdy rubber ring for insulation, it guarantees long-term use and readiness for the wild. The TOPORO trekking pole is the ideal blend of utility and portability for every adventurer. Experience heightened precision with the MOTOVERA LLT2 laser level, a compact powerhouse designed for precise measurements. With a 100 feet green cross-line projection, this self-leveling tool offers a soft grip, lightweight design, and IP54 dust and water resistance. The 4-gear brightness adjustment adapts to various environments, ensuring optimal visibility. Equipped with a magnetic bracket and low battery indication, it combines convenience and functionality. The self-leveling, manual, and pulse modes cater to diverse needs. The package includes the laser level, magnetic bracket, batteries, laser target plate, and a carry-on bag backed by a 24-month warranty extension. Introducing the STRIKERBIT, the world's first bolt-action screwdriver designed for convenience and versatility. This pocket-sized tool features a bolt-action mechanism for quick extension and retraction, providing easy access and a satisfying fidgeting experience. With 4 locking positions and an additional knob for increased torque, it accommodates various tasks. Available in grade 5 titanium or stainless steel, STRIKERBIT accepts any 1/4-inch hex bits and incorporates strong neodymium magnets for secure bit retention. Compact at 80 millimeters, it's CNC machined for precision and durability, ensuring a lifetime of reliable performance in everyday carry situations. Streamline your DIY projects with the RAK magnetic wristband, a practical solution for holding screws, nails, and drill bits. Crafted from premium 1680 ballistic nylon, this wristband is embedded with 10 powerful magnets for secure storage and easy access to small metal items. Versatile and multi-purpose, it suits home improvement, construction, and auto repair tasks. The adjustable, breathable design ensures comfort during work, catering to mechanics, carpenters, and handymen. Rugged and tear-resistant, this magnetic wristband is a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and convenience in their workshop or home projects. The Wolftooth 8-bit pack pliers redefine bike repair with a compact, powerful multi-tool for cyclists on the go. This lightweight marvel effortlessly handles 18 functions, from spoke and valve core wrenches to screwdriver bits and hex keys, 2 to 8 millimeters, ingeniously designed with magnets for secure bit holding and a ball-detent swivel head for tight spots. It's a versatile tool for any cyclist. Compatible with 9 to 12 Speedmaster links and chains, this multi-tool ensures you're ready for a seamless repair experience wherever your ride takes you. Elevate your everyday carry with the DANGO TO1 Tactical Wallet, a fusion of style and functionality. Crafted from top-grain leather and aerospace-grade aluminum, it exudes premium quality. With RFID blocking for security and an integrated DANGO multi-tool with over 10 functions, this ultra-slim wallet seamlessly combines practicality and sophistication. Designed to hold 12 cards, its single pocket design showcases made-in-USA craftsmanship, ensuring durability and style. Limited lifetime coverage makes it the standout choice for those seeking a reliable and stylish daily essential. Time to say goodbye, but before you go, which of these must-have gadgets is a game-changer for you? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more indispensable tech insights